Welcome back to our channel. Let's start with the news today. Ukrainian anti-aircraft defense units destroy 4 enemy jets, 3 helicopters and 1 UAV. The Ukrainian anti-aircraft defense units have hit 4 enemy aircraft, 3 helicopters and 1 unmanned aerial vehicles over the past day. The relevant statement was made by the Support Force Command of the Armed Forces of Ukraine on Facebook and Ukraine from correspondent reports. Within one of the strategic directions in Kyiv Region, a group of su-35, su-34 and su-25 enemy aircraft were attempting to launch missiles and airstrike on the redoubt of Ukrainian defenders. While the fighters aircraft of the Ukrainian Air Forces were conducting a positional air confrontations with the superior occupation forces, the Ukrainian anti-aircraft defense units launches surface-to-air missiles on an enemy air target. According to the preliminary data, 3 missiles hit enemy targets. In addition, 3 Russian helicopters and 1 UAV were also destroyed. There is also good news from the North Operational Command, whose anti-aircraft defense units have hit 1 more enemy aircraft today. A reminder that on February 24, 2022, Russian President Vladimir Putin initiated a full-scale invasion of Ukraine, starting a war. Russian troops are shelling and destroying the key infrastructure facility, launching airstrikes on residential areas in Ukrainian cities and villages. This is the end of our news today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.